right, I wanted to show you real quick my quinoa salad that I make in the summertime, although you can make it any time of the year. My kids love it, and we're having company over tonight, so I thought I'd throw this together. Now I made it in my Instant Pot, so 2 cups of quinoa, dry quinoa, rinsed really well. Put it in your, this is my Instant Pot bowl, the 2 cups of dry quinoa to 2 cups of water. Put it on the rice setting and let it go. When it's done, I used a fork to kind of fork through the quinoa that was finished, put it in the fridge, and let it cool down, because you don't want to add all these ingredients to hot quinoa. So I added cherry tomatoes, a whole thing of cherry tomatoes cut into quarters, a little bit of cilantro, just cut the top off here and then added that to it, a whole cucumber, a whole thing of feta cheese is in here, and this was full, so about a 1/4 cup of Kalamata olives. And then the juice of the Kalamata olives I also put in there. And then I'm making my own dressing for it. So I did 3/4 cups of olive oil, a 1/4 cup of the Santa Cruz Organic pure lemon juice, a lot of sea salt, because I love salt, and pepper. And then I just use my little whisk blender to blend this up. As you can see the consistency of it. You can use this kind of lemon vinaigrette dressing on anything, but it's super good inside this quinoa salad. So we're gonna throw it in there and then simply just use a fork and mix it all together. And that's it.